In this how-to video of Brivo Access, we will demonstrate how to apply a schedule on a door. Once logged into your account, navigate to the device status page. Choose a door to apply a schedule to. Click on Add Schedule. In the Door Schedule section, there are two drop-down menus, one for the type of schedule and the second for choosing the schedule. There are three types of schedules that can be applied to a door: unlock, card required, and two-factor. When an unlock schedule is applied, the door will be unlocked and not require a credential to be presented through the duration of the schedule. When a card required schedule is applied, the door will be locked and the only credential that can be used for access is a card through the duration of the schedule. When a two-factor schedule is applied, the door will be locked and users have to present both their card and PIN to gain access to the door through the duration of the schedule. To apply the schedule, choose the type of schedule, then choose a schedule. If any schedules that are not 24/7, they must be configured prior to applying them. Once done choosing the schedule, click the Save Changes button. The schedule has now been applied to the door. Lastly, admins must have permissions to override the door to be able to apply the schedules. They can be found under the Administrator Roles tab. For more information, please visit us at brivo.com or contact your Brivo account.